cheesecake?
Yes.
You want a cheesecake? What's your favorite cheesecake? Strawberry? Thank you very, very much. We'll continue our journey as young chefs or wherever you want to endure endeavors. Okay? Thank you very, very much for coming. It was a pleasure having you all here. And definitely tomorrow you're going to get some cheesecake, okay? Alright. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
See, don't want anything, I make she talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Wine for anything, I make you talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. You put your hands on me head. Grip me tight, make me ball, make me beg. Bust some move, cause your body not dead. Show me the power, then take up then your legs and move. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Let them get up, yeah. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Tip and get up, yeah. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Let them get up, yeah. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Tip and get up, yeah. She taking advantage when she find this spot and working on me body. I feel good, yeah. Take your time and go little low, yeah. In the saddle with plenty styles and riding it like a real top jockey. I feel good, yeah. Take your time and go little low, yeah. And when you whining so right there in the center. Hold me a little tighter.
First of all, by walking in here and seeing this, it's a real good feeling to see that y'all into this from a young age. Me growing up, I like to work with Adrian, and you know, growing up was nothing like this. So the fact that y'all got the opportunity, the chance, you know, to actually start something like this to see if you want to evolve, develop a career of it is a real good feeling. And good to see that. Y'all, there are a lot of things that happen, something to get sidetracked. I grew up in St. James where no one cared about music. I wasn't good in the kitchen like y'all or nothing like that, but I was good in my hands and doing music. And staying positive is something that you can get distracted from by the wrong company, being influenced to do certain things that you don't want. Say your words.
On behalf of Cook Canada, thank you for your interesting speech, and I really give the grapes because at the same the grapes.
Grapes is good. Good grapes too. It make me want to sing. Better?
Yes.
Better though, Fessa. She gonna ask you quick. Neck your bum, do that. Come for the bunch. Better though, better. this is Hypasounds and I just came from Cook, Caribbean, man. These kids doing some wonderful things. Adrian is the boss. You know what it is already. If you haven't checked it out, you need to check it out on Instagram. And most of all, the kids give me a treat, but I can't show what I thought that everybody don't want to come down here. But the kids are doing great things. I'm out of here.